It's been so long since I've heard that voice. Oh my word, and it is beautiful. I remember thinking and saying that she was the only person I could think of who can rival Ado in her ability to express emotion. Good evening everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are watching and listening to an artist who we haven't listened to in a very long time. The artist that we'll be listening to has one of the best voices ever. So expressionative, so emotive, you really feel every single emotion, every bit of turmoil or happiness, sadness or any emotion possible that you can think of. She can portray it so well in her voice. And as you've read in the title, of course, I'm talking about Minami. Minami, we've only listened to twice before, and it was so long ago that I thought it'll be great for us to revisit her and check out some of her music again. It's bizarre because the last time we listened to her, it was in my old setup when I was just recording on a laptop and a £3.50 microphone with a £12 webcam on a laptop that's 7 years old. So thank you guys for joining me on this journey, but let's time travel a bit. Let's listen to a 4-year-old song by an artist that we haven't listened to in over a year. Now this song, Waiting for Rain, has almost 80 million views, which is mental. It's such a huge song, so I'm glad that we're finally getting around to listening to it. If you guys do enjoy the reactions, please do subscribe. Some reactions are blurred due to copyright reasons on YouTube. If so, you can always find the unblurred counterpart on Patreon. That'll be linked in the description below. But let's get started, shall we? With Waiting for Rain by Minami for the very first time. Nice relaxing somber beat at the moment. And a nice break there. It's been so long since I've heard that voice. Oh my word, and it is beautiful. I remember thinking and saying that she was the only person I could think of who can rival Ado in her ability to express emotion. Lovely visuals as well in the music video. Her voice is incredible. I generally have so missed listening to her. Generally, as I said in the intro, every bit of emotion that she's trying to express in her lyrics, she can just articulate it so well. You really feel, when she's talking about sad stuff, you really feel that emotion. You really feel the exhaustion, the mental exhaustion, as if those emotions are real. It's crazy. And these bits as well, when it's like the harmonizing voice, they just overlay her voice. It sounds so beautiful. Genuinely, just listen to those like groans at the end of those sentences there. She's so good at just making you feel what she's saying. It's lovely to listen to. It's so lovely to listen to. I remember holding her in such high regard, and we've just had so many artists that we've reacted to over the year that it's I can't believe I forgot about. I feel so dirty and wrong for doing that. It's such an uncomfortable feeling, remembering how much I liked her and then being like, why haven't I listened to? I have no excuse why I haven't listened to her in so long. It's crazy. The music video is lovely. What? Oh my word. I completely understand why I said she is up there with Ado in her ability to express herself in a song. Moments like that. Incredible. This is amazing. This is so good. Oh my word. Amazing. Every bit of that was amazing. I'm pretty much lost for words. I'm forcing myself to speak right now because I know this is a reaction video and I should be saying stuff, but I'm so lost for words. I'm so lost for words. She is incredible. So incredible. I feel so wrong that we haven't listened to her in so long. You guys better get ready for a Minami binge that we're going to go on this channel, which is now going to be uploaded to this channel. I can't believe that I've done such a disservice to the music community by not uploading more of her. Astonishing. Astonishing. I haven't listened to her enough to say so that I can actually correctly say how incredible I think she is. But from what I've heard in the 3 songs that we've listened to by her, she is second place in the best voices that I've ever heard whilst running this channel. Only second to Ado, and the only reason why I'd put her there is because she just does it so consistent. We've listened to so many songs by her and they're all incredible. Every single one of them are incredible. There's not one that isn't incredible. So if we go down the rabbit hole with Minami and it's the exact same, then oh my word, am I gonna just be shell shocked? An absolutely incredible singer. Her way, her ability to express emotion in the way of lyrics and delivery is incredible. And I'm so glad that we've revisited her, because it has been a long time coming. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think in my synopsis on her being that good at expressing emotive language and emotion. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys agree with me. I think I can, because in my opinion it's so clear cut, yes, but you guys might see it differently, so do let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. You take care.